Let's talk clean and safe laundry, and I have some big news. Norwex Powerzyme Laundry Detergent is EWG Verified. But what does that mean? EWG Verified means this detergent meets the strictest level for human health and safety. EWG Verified products are completely transparent about their ingredients and avoid harmful chemicals. And if you're like me and you want the safest options for your family, this is a game changer. Here's the thing, not all detergents are created equal. A lot of grocery store brands can be loaded with harmful chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and fillers that can irritate your skin and harm the environment. Plus, some products are labeled as free and clear and green, but they're actually greenwashing. They use eco-friendly buzzwords without delivering on the ingredients. And that is why having this EWG verified logo and certification means so much, because you know that Powerzyme is genuinely safe and clean. So what's the scoop on Powerzyme? It is a powder laundry detergent. It is filler-free. It is 91% bio-based, and it is powered by 4 amazing enzymes. They break down tough stains and odors at the microscopic level. So think of these enzymes like little scissors that cut through messes. Protein-based stains like sweat and blood, those are taken care of by subtilicin. The starchy spills like pasta sauce and chocolate, those are taken care of by amylase. Sticky messes such as yogurt and dressing, those are taken care of by mayonnaise. And fabric wear and pilling and graying of that fabric are handled by cellulase. Guess what? This detergent also works great in all temperatures of water, so cold, warm, and hot. And I live in an area with really hard water and it still works like a charm. Plus, if you are already a Norwex lover and you use our Bright and White booster, you are going to adore Powerzyme because it has many of the same powerhouse enzymes. So you don't have to double up in your laundry with it. Just use the Powerzyme. But why do we use enzymes? Well, they are natural, they're biodegradable, they're effective in small amounts, and they're safe for your skin and the planet. So we can use something naturally occurring without harmful chemicals. They're seriously little cleaning superheroes. From sweaty uniforms to delicate baby clothes to grimy kitchen messes, Powerzyme handles it all. And it's fragrance-free, which is a must for sensitive skin in my home. With its EWG verified status, Powerzyme isn't just tough, it is one of the cleanest, safest detergents you can use. And bonus tip, set it up on autosave. And you can save 10% when you have $150 in your autosave cart. You unlock free shipping. And if you want even a better deal, think about joining my team and you can start saving 35% off of all of your Norwex. If you've tried it already, share what you love about our laundry detergent. And if you're brand new, shoot me a message, ask me for some free samples, but remember, all of our products come with a 60-day happiness promise, so you don't have to worry about trying out something new. You can try it for 60 days, but I guarantee you're absolutely gonna love our Powerzyme detergent. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye.